David Perkins, born and raised in Howard, Kansas. Lived here most of my life. Basically, we weren't farmers in '88. We were cattle guys. Well, in '88, my brother was doing a little farming when I came home, and then we started farming more. But growing up, we just basically reseeded tame grass, fescue, wheat, about all we did. 88, 89, 90, somewhere in there, we started row crop farming, milo, or soybeans and wheat, moved into milo and then corn. Started out with 15-foot in-wheel drills and moved up to 15-foot straight plane no-till drill. Started no-tilling off and on in the early 90s. By 2000, I was 100% no-till. Got a 3-crop rotation now: wheat, corn, soybeans. Plant wheat after corn, double crop soybeans after wheat, single crop soybeans the next year, and then back to corn. Back to starts over again. I like the technology when it works. It makes you a lot more productive, and it makes it easier to put lower skilled level people in certain operations. I don't know, just what I do. I enjoyed driving the truck for quite a while, and then got to be too many rules and regulations. Got tired of it. More my own boss out here. Quit when I want to quit. Start when I want to start. Let the weather dictates otherwise. So I enjoy it when everything's working.
How often is that?
Well, every few days you get something where everything's working.